traffic in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Montague County in north central Texas until 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Stoneburg, or 9 miles west of Nakona, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 65 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bowie, Nakona, St. Joe, and Stoneburg. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for north central Texas.